How to fix the Facebook profile picture is not showing on your newsfeed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having this trouble on the newsfeed, it might be due to settings or app glitches. So first and foremost, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes the slow internet could cause that issue. Second step, head over to Play Store or App Store. Search for Facebook and make sure to update the app. This can help to solve the app glitches. Once you have updated, head over to your Facebook application and launch it. Once you reach to this page, go to the profile on the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. After that, go to privacy center. Then after check for the profile picture visibility as well as profile visibility to the public. Once you have done so, head over to your home page and search for the Facebook application. Long press the application and tap on App Info. Make sure the permissions required for Facebook is already allowed. After that, tap on the third option of storage and cache and then clear the cache. Now that this is done, head over to your Facebook and it should probably work. After that, you can also head over to the profile, tap on the three dots and make sure to check the visibility into public again. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.